Air fryers promise something irresistible: healthier meals, less oil, crispy perfection without guilt. But for many seniors across the UK, that promise hides a dangerous truth. Because behind the glossy marketing and sleek designs, some of these popular kitchen gadgets are exposing people to serious risks: toxic coatings, electrical faults, even fire hazards. Today, we're exposing 9 air fryer brands you should stop buying immediately, and revealing the 2 that are actually safe. Stay with us, because what you learn here could protect your home, your health, and your family. Number 9. Tower. Tower is everywhere. Walk into Argos Currys or your local supermarket, you'll see their boxes stacked high, affordable, stylish, and marketed as the perfect entry into healthier cooking: golden chips, crispy chicken, happy families. But here's what they don't show you. Underneath that polished exterior, there's a pattern of serious complaints. Users report non-stick baskets flaking within weeks, tiny black particles ending up in food, coatings bubbling, cracking, peeling even under normal temperatures. One reviewer described opening the basket and seeing what looked like burnt paint chips scattered across her meal, and the smell, a harsh, chemical stench. For seniors, this isn't just unpleasant, it's dangerous. When these coatings break down, they can release harmful substances into your food. Some cheaper materials may contain PFAS, so-called forever chemicals, linked to thyroid issues, immune disruption, and rising cholesterol levels. And according to the Royal Society of Chemistry, these chemicals don't leave your body easily. They build up, quietly, over time. But that's not all. Tower has also faced multiple safety recalls, reports of overheating, electrical faults, and even units failing mid-cook. There have been cases of smoke, melting plastic, and near-miss fires. The promise was simple, healthy cooking. The reality: hidden risks sitting right on your kitchen counter. And unfortunately, Tower is just the beginning. Number 8. Salter. Salter sells something powerful: trust. A brand dating back to 1760. A legacy of British craftsmanship. A name that feels reliable. But history doesn't guarantee safety. And Salter's air fryers are showing cracks, literally. Customers report units failing after just a few months. Heating elements suddenly dying. Baskets warping. Displays flickering and going blank. For someone living alone, especially a senior, this isn't just frustrating. It can mean skipped meals, wasted food, or risky attempts to fix electrical issues. And then there's the coating. Even when using silicone utensils, users say the non-stick surface scratches easily. Once damaged, it becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and a source of chemical exposure. Food sticks, burns, smokes, and that smoke, it lingers. A 2023 Which survey found nearly 1 in 5 Salter users experienced major issues within a year. Imagine that in any other industry. For those with asthma or COPD, common in older adults, these fumes can trigger serious breathing problems. Salter promises heritage reliability, but many customers are left with products that barely survive their warranty. Number 7. Ninja. This one surprises people. Ninja is positioned as premium. Sleek design, high price, strong branding. It looks like the safe choice. But premium doesn't always mean safe. In the US, certain Ninja models were recalled due to fire hazards caused by overheating components. UK models weren't officially recalled, but many share similar designs. So the question is, are UK consumers simply behind the warning curve, or unknowingly taking the same risks? Customer reports include melted plastic inside units, cracked handles causing burns, and baskets warping within months. For a 2000s appliance, that's unacceptable. But the real issue is psychological. People trust Ninja because it feels premium. But many components are sourced from the same factories as cheaper brands. You're often paying for design and marketing, not fundamentally safer technology. And for seniors stretching their budget to afford peace of mind, that's a dangerous illusion. Number 6. Tefal. Tefal is almost synonymous with non-stick cooking. They invented it. So naturally, people assume it's the safest option. But recent scrutiny around PFAS chemicals has changed the conversation. Even though Tefal claims modern coatings are PFAS-free, independent testing raises questions about what's actually being used. The truth: most consumers simply don't know what they're cooking with. And that uncertainty matters, because long-term exposure to these substances has been linked to cholesterol issues, thyroid problems, and immune suppression, especially concerning for older adults already managing health conditions. On top of that, users report durability issues: cracking plastic, failing controls, and declining performance. Tefal built trust over decades. But today many are questioning whether that trust is still deserved. Number 5. Russell Hobbs. A household name. Kettles, toasters, appliances you've trusted for years. And that familiarity is exactly what sells their air fryers. But familiarity isn't safety. Customers report sparking units, overheating baskets, and coatings flaking into food. One user described sparks flying while their grandchildren were nearby. Trading Standards has flagged multiple safety concerns, yet these products remain widely sold. For seniors, the risks are even greater. Slower reaction times, reduced sense of smell, greater vulnerability to stress and injury. A faulty appliance isn't just inconvenient, it can be life-threatening. Number 4. Cosori exploded in popularity with smart features and glowing reviews. But in 2023, everything changed. A massive global recall, over 2 million units, due to fire hazards caused by faulty wiring. Yet, despite this, Cosori products are still widely sold across the UK. Sometimes even recalled models, resold through third parties. For seniors shopping online, identifying safe models is incredibly difficult. Serial numbers, versions, manufacturing dates, it's confusing and risky. And their smart features introduce another layer of concern to cybersecurity. Connected devices can expose personal data if not properly secured. Convenience comes at a cost. Number 3. Instant Vortex. Instant Pot built massive trust with pressure cookers. But that trust doesn't automatically transfer. Instant Vortex air fryers have been recalled in multiple countries due to overheating risks. Units getting hot enough to scorch countertops, melt nearby materials, start fires. For seniors with mobility limitations, that's a serious hazard. And the biggest danger: false confidence. People assume brand reputation equals safety. But different product lines often have completely different standards. Number 2. Daewoo. Cheap, accessible, everywhere. And that's exactly the problem. Low price often means compromised safety. Reports include short circuits, cracked housings exposing wiring, and coatings flaking almost immediately. Budget materials. Minimal testing. And for seniors on fixed incomes, this becomes a dangerous trade-off. Saving $40 up front could cost far more later. Number 1. ProCook, marketed as premium, professional, high-end. But reality tells a different story. Units arriving faulty, heating elements failing quickly, toxic smells reported by users. Even replacements show the same issues. And customer service, often unhelpful. For seniors, this is the ultimate betrayal. You pay more expecting safety, and get disappointment instead. Say FEOPTIMs. Now the part that actually matters. Safe Choice 1, Philips, the original air fryer innovators. Strong safety testing, PFAS-free coatings, reliable performance, simple controls, durable build. This is peace of mind. Safe Choice Bite 2, Sage, premium, but genuinely worth it. Better materials, better engineering, transparent safety standards. Built to last years, not months. Your kitchen should never be a source of danger. Now you know what to avoid and what to trust. If this helped you, subscribe, because the next product you buy could either protect your health or quietly put it at risk.